So here's a percent problem that I think can just be dealt with intuitively. We have to really, I think, just struggle a little bit though to understand what they're asking, just because of the wording sometimes can really throw us off. So 40% of 100 is the same as what percent of 80? So what they're asking is part of what they're telling us, right? They're telling us that first of all, we have 40% of 100, and that's really nice to work with. 40%, right? By definition, what this means, 40%, this little sign means out of 100. It's actually a shorthand for it. So 40% is literally 40 out of 100, right? So they're telling us that we have 40% of 100, so what we have is 40, right? Because that's 40 out of 100. We want to know, this is the same as what percent of 80? So what they're saying is, we take 40% of 100 and you get 40. Now, this is what percent, right, of 80. So we're saying take 40 out of 80, and what percent is that? Well, this is, if we reduce this, we get 1/2, which is 50%, right? So this answer here is D. And I think just the wording is tricky here, because they're saying that if you take 40% of 100, you get a number. Well, that's the same as what percent of 80? Well, 40 out of 80 is half, right? It's 50%. All right, hope this helped.